those who vote confidence in the Minister tonight are endorsing grave failure. Over the last 12 days, much has been said about the riots, but not enough has been said about what happened earlier that day, the stabbing of 3 small children and Leanne Flynn. The gravity and trauma of this horrific attack hasn't been fully acknowledged or fully understood. It took nearly 2 weeks for government to reach out to the school community. Many parents tell me that they feel forgotten, vulnerable and afraid. They are angry. Incredible work was done to get the children back to school, and I want to acknowledge Moonshore Paul Hansard and his staff. But it has to be asked, in the immediate aftermath of this attack, where was the emergency response from government? Only days after the stabbing of 3 of their classmates, and as Leanne Flynn lay in her hospital bed, it was back to business as usual for the area surrounding Gaelscoil Coláiste Mhuire. Strangers street drinking and not a Garda in sight. Those of us...
Oh, no, sorry. Please. Nobody interrupted anybody. Please.
Those who live...
Sorry, but...
What's the point of order? The Leader of the Opposition has quite disgracefully misled the Dáil. There was contact from government with the school within 24 hours of the events. Several ministers did so. She knows that. It's deliberate misleading and it should be withdrawn. And I call on her to be decent for once and withdraw it.
Please. I'd like, can we please conduct the business in an orderly fashion? When the turn returns to government to speak, you can refute what has been said by Deputy McDonald. Now,
should be withdrawn.
Fine, but are you going to withdraw it?
I am not.
Right.
I'm stating the facts on the record of the Dáil. Those who live...
Please.
Deputy McDonald's comments in relation to the school and in relation to the assistance that they received. As a Minister in the Department of Education, I have to say I'm absolutely gobsmacked by what the Deputy McDonald has said. If it is the case that Deputy McDonald knows that the school has received assistance from NEPS, not within 2 weeks, Deputy, within hours. NEPS Education Psychological Service was in the school by 2 o'clock that day. And you're saying here, as a fact, Mary Lou Trump, fake news, that the school received no assistance for 2 whole weeks. Now, I would actually ask you seriously to withdraw that comment, because it's completely incorrect. Last Corey, you might ask the Deputy to do that.
Your time is running. I'm just warning if your time is actually running.
You have public order peers here and Mary Lou Trump. Like, how can anybody believe anything that comes out of your mouth when you talked earlier to the Taoiseach, you spoke to him and questioned him about facts in relation to rents. Well, that is a fact, Deputy McDonald, and I ask you to withdraw that comment.
There's no discussion. No, sorry, the time is... Just let me clarify something. The Minister has asked you to withdraw something. I understand you're not withdrawing it. No, so that's okay. I'm moving on.